Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you viewers? I hope you all are fine and good. Today the topic of my video is Avinash Sachdev. Avinash Sachdev is born on 22 August 1986 as an Indian actor. He began his career with roles in television commercials. Following appearances in television series, Sachdev gained notable roles for his portrayal as Dev Purohit in the Zee TV drama series Choti Bahu 2008 to 2012 and and Shlok Agnihotri in the Star Plus romantic drama इस प्यार को क्या नाम दूं एक बार फिर 2013 to 2015. Born 22 August 1986, Vadodara, Gujarat. Occupation actor. Year active 2006 to present. Known for Choti Bahu, इस प्यार को क्या नाम दूं एक बार फिर. Spouse में Shalmali Desai. Married 2015. Divorced 2017. Sachdev performance on इस प्यार को क्या नाम दूं एक बार फिर earned him recognition internationally. He is the recipient of the Indian Tele Award Fresh New Face 2009. During his work on Choti Bahu, Sachdev continued starring in television series, playing the wealthy and influential landowner Arman Raza Sheikh in Kabul Hai 4 2015 to 2016. Dr. Amit Goyal in Balka Vadhu Lahmi Pyar Ki 2016 and the devoted and protective Mahadev Singh Thakur and Main Bhi Aradhangi 2019. Early life. Avinash Sachdev was born on 22 August 1986 in and brought up in Vadodara, Gujarat. His father's name is Vijay Sachdev and his mother's name is Pooja Sachdev. He completed his education in Vadodara. Sachdev initially wanted to serve the Indian Administrative Services as an Air Force pilot but was unable as he was prescribed eyeglasses. After moving back to Bombay, Sachdev developed an interest in film-making production and began his acting career in 2006. Career. Early work. After winning pageant titles such as Mr. Baroda, Mr. University and Mr. Gujarat 2004 to 2005, Sachdev participated in the Glad Rags model hunt. He volunteered as an assistant director on Hatim when he was 18 years old. He also volunteered and assisted Farhan Akhtar in Rock on 2008. He began participating in television commercials, doing ads for TV Scooty. Sachdev made his acting debut in 2006 with a cameo appearance in the Star Plus drama series Karam Apna Apna. He played his first negative role in the Sony TV drama series Khwaish from 2007 to 2008 in a minor role, followed by a double negative role in the Star Plus drama series Kis Desh Mein Hai Mera Dil in 2008. 2008 to 2015 career breakthrough. Sachdev's first notable role was his portrayal as Dev Purohit in the Zee TV drama series Choti Bahu. Dev is a simple and family-oriented man who lives up to his family expectations and is determined to make his family proud. When he meets a girl, he develops feelings for he must navigate the challenges for pursuing his own business while staying true to his family values. In 2011, Sachdev reprised his role as Dev Purohit in the second season of Choti Bahu with a new plot. After the end of the series, he participated in several world tours and concerts. In 2010, 2011 and 2012, he performed in the Zee Night concerts along with his Choti Bahu co-star Rubina Dilak. In 2012, Sachdev also participated in the Zee Heroes concert and in 2013, he performed at the Zee Stars concert held in South Africa. From 2013 to 2015, Sachdev starred in the Star Plus romantic drama series इस प्यार को क्या नाम दूं एक बार फिर alongside with Shrinu Parikh as Shlok Agnihotri. Shlok is wealthy businessman who turns into chauvinist after his troubled breakup in the past. Shlok deceivingly shows love and marries Astha to take revenge as he mistakenly holds her accountable for his lost reputation. Despite his intentions, Shlok is also deeply conflicted and struggles with his own emotions, and with the help of his wife, he learns overcome his past and recognizes the importance of equality. His character undergoes a significant development throughout the series, particularly through his relationship with Astha, who challenges his beliefs and helps him become more compassionate. In 2017, because of Sachdev's work on the series, he was invited to Turkey and Azerbaijan for his contribution to the series. Canal 7 organized a meet and great event for the Turkish and Azerbaijan fans of the show in 2019. Interview with Sphere Origin, Sajdev was asked about the challenge of the series, and he stated that it was difficult to portray an anti-hero role with the domestic violence elements while showcasing a love story at the same time. 2015 to 2019 continued lead roles. In 2015, Sachdev joined the cast in the final season of the Zee TV social drama series Kabul Hai Season 4, portraying Arman Raza Sheikh, a landowner who has a reputation for being a troublemaker. His wealth and status make him a prominent figure to the public, and he navigates his life with a sense of purpose and determination. Despite his outwardly strong and assertive personality, Arman's emotions are revealed through his relationships and personal struggles. He is driven by a deep sense of responsibility and is often seen trying to protect and support those he cares about after his family is threatened. Sachdev played Dr. Amit Goyal in the Colors TV drama series Balka Vadhu Lamhe Pyar Ke in 2016. Dr. Amit Goyal is a surgical doctor who takes his work with a great pride. He is highly skilled, qualified, knowledgeable, and is known for his attention to detail. This was his third television project with the production company Sphere Origin. Sachdev talked about the coincidence about receiving offers in sequels and joked about being the sequel king. In an interview with ABP News, he expressed that playing a doctor in a television series was difficult because of the lack of time to learn about the profession. He added that in contrast, film roles provide more time to study the characters in depth and attend workshops to gain familiarity. Sachdev also revealed that he formed a newfound appreciation for doctor because of their routinely intense work. In 2017, he played as the software engineer Avinash Dubey, the star Bharat drama series Ayushman Bhava. In 2019, Sachdev starred in the supernatural drama series Main Bhi Ardhangi. As Mahadev Singh Thakur, Mahadev carries a burden of grief and guilt due to the tragic loss of his beloved wife. He is strongly devoted to his wife's memory and he is determined to protect his family from harm. Throughout the series, Mahadev's journey is marked by emotional waves as he battles with the past and navigates the present challenges. His character evolves over time after he finds a sense of comfort from his childhood friend. Mahadev showcases layers of vulnerability, strength, and resilience as he seeks redemption and closure amidst the mysteries and supernatural elements surrounding his life. Main Bhi Ardhangi was filmed in Jaipur, Rajasthan. Speaking about his experience working on the show, Sachdev claimed that shooting in Jaipur is more relaxed than the fast-paced shooting atmosphere in Mumbai. 2021 to present. In 2021, he made his first web series appearance in a minor role as Vivek on the pocket film romantic comedy series Suraj and Sanj. He also appeared in a short film Make Her Happy, where he played Rahul. Sachdev dubbed in Hindi for actors Siva Karthikeyan in Doctor and Dhanush in Vitti. In 2022, Sachdev shot a trailer promo for a Pratali P. FM horror thriller podcast Chaikiya Ki Dhayan with his former co-star Shrinu Parikh. Avinash Sachdev plays the role of determined and clever man who becomes central to the unfolding mystery in the village of Chakia. He is characterized by his intellectual nature to uncover the truth behind the supernatural events linked to the legend of the Dayan. As a brave and intelligent figure, he is driven by a sense of duty to protect the villagers from the hostile forces that seem to trouble them. His journey is marked by his relentless pursuit of answers, often putting himself in danger to confront the mysterious and unsettling occurrences head on. From June to August 2023, Sajdev participated as a contestant on the reality show Big Boss OTT 2. Sajdev appeared in a story TV Ik Tha Shehzada 2025 in a negative role as Vikram Aditya Mehra. Vikram is portrayed as an ambitious and morally compromised businessman who becomes involved in a series of high-profile schemes driven by greed, power, and the pursuit of control and acquiring substantial wealth. His storyline centers on betrayal, manipulation, and plotting corrupt strategies aimed at dismantling the established rival business empire through strategy partnership. Vikram attempts to exploit vulnerabilities within the rival empire, ultimately positioning himself as a major threat. Personal life. Sajdev married his co-star Shalmali Desai in 2015. They divorced in 2017. I hope you will like my video. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share it with your friends and family. Thank you very much.